Welcome. In today's video, I'll show you how to prevent message previews for groups on Telegram web using the latest update. If you often use Telegram on your computer and want a bit more privacy, this quick guide is just what you need. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly how to hide those little message previews that pop up when someone sends something in your group chats. Let's get started. First, open Telegram web on your PC using your preferred browser. Make sure you're logged into your account so you can access your settings right away. Once Telegram web is open, look toward the top left corner of your screen. You'll see three small dots right beside your profile picture or the Telegram logo. That's where we'll begin. Click on those three dots to open the main menu. From here, you'll notice several options. Choose Settings. This is where you can personalize many aspects of your Telegram experience, including privacy, chat layout, and notifications. Inside the Settings menu, click on Notifications. This section controls how and when Telegram alerts you about new messages, mentions, and group updates. Scroll down a little, and you'll find a setting labeled Message Preview, specifically under the Groups category. Now, to prevent those message previews from appearing, simply uncheck the box next to Message Preview. Once you do that, Telegram web will stop showing snippets of new group messages in your notifications. You'll still get the notification itself, but without showing any content from the message. This is perfect if you're working in public spaces or sharing a screen and don't want private group activity displayed for everyone to see.